In 1943, when carpentry tools were at their peak, a survey on how many carpentry tools would be needed to construct a full-scale building was conducted in Oda Ward, Tokyo. The survey showed that 179 tools are needed, all of which are exhibited here. It is said that at least 72 carpentry tools are needed to build a house no matter how low the construction cost is. Out of the 179 tools, let's take a look at the 3 carpentry tools in descending order of the number of types. Chisels have 49 tools, taking first place. Planes have 40 tools, taking second place. Drills have 26 tools, taking third place. By the way, saws have 12 tools. Chisels make up the largest number of tools. Chisels are carpentry tools used in a wide range of applications, such as carving wood, digging holes, and smoothing surfaces. Chisels can be roughly classified into 2 types. They strike chisels whose handles are hit with a hammer and paring chisels gripped by hand to smooth the wood surface. Looking at the handle, you can distinguish between a striking chisel and a paring chisel. A striking chisel has a metal fitting called katsura, a crown, attached to its handle for being struck. Chisels are said to be carpentry tools to which the saying "the bigger, the better" does not apply. Japanese carpenters prepare several chisels depending on the width of the wood to be carved. All of these are butt chisels, which are the types of striking chisel that are most frequently used. Each has a different width in millimeters. 11 butt chisels with different widths make a set. Types of chisels include gouged chisels, acute angle chisels, and crank neck chisels. Adding up the tools with different widths for each of them, there are 49 chisel tools, which make up the largest number of carpentry tools. This is a section for chisels, which make up the largest number of carpentry tool types. First, let's focus on the shape of the chisel. The steel part of the chisel is called the neck. This neck part has been specially designed for using the chisel. A striking chisel, which is used to carve large wood materials such as pillars and beams, has a long and sturdy neck. A butt chisel is a delicate tool with a short neck that enables fine carpentry work such as alcoves. Some chisels have a special shape on the cutting edge and neck. There are various types of chisel blades depending on the shape of the objects to be smooth, such as a round blade and a bifurcated blade. For example, a gouge chisel has a round blade to smooth a curved surface. The neck is designed so that you can reach the part to be smoothed efficiently. In order to finish the bottom of the groove, a crank neck chisel has a bent neck so that the handle does not hit the bottom and it is easy to smooth. Please take a look at the Kanawa joint model. Various types of chisels are used for processing complicated sugite and shikuchi joints. First, a striking chisel is used to dig a hole, and then a paring chisel is used for finishing and creating complicated shapes. Here is a model that looks like a frog with its legs spread out. This is a sculptural decoration found in shrines and temples, called karumata, frog leg strut. This is an elegant sculpture with a series of wavy curves and swirls in places. Such curved surfaces are smoothed with a gouged chisel. Several different chisels are used depending on how much the surfaces are curved. Both the completed karumata and the in-process karumata are displayed on the wall.